Come on, son. Come on, man. Ball. Get in the box. Come on, that box, man. Oh. That's the thing. Wow.
So Manchester United have beaten Wolverhampton Wanderers away thanks to the goals coming from Marcus Rashford, who responded nicely with that goal after making the headlines throughout the week. Rasmus Højlund also continued his goal-scoring form, bagging the second goal for Manchester United. Wolves got a penalty conceded by Casemiro, but substitute Scott McTominay was alive to the test with a header to put Manchester United further in front. Wolves then got back with a goal, able to protect the lead until the final whistle. We are back to winning ways. Few individual mistakes nearly cost us the game, but I hope Erik ten Hag is going to assess his side after this game.